Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we're going to draw on the Saint Seiya event. I'm not sure if I'm going to participate in this event, but I managed to recharge 100 diamonds and spent 200 so I got 9 tokens. I know I'm going to get a guaranteed Badang skin on the 10th draw, but we only have 9 tokens, so let's try to draw. Let's see how many tokens you will get, so I will know if I will get a Saint Seiya skin, because in the events I already have all the permanent effects, so all that's left are these time limited items, spray paint. So all I can get are these 3 skins, so let's try to draw. Let's draw one each. So I think the average is 20, because the max token you can get in a single draw is 40. So yeah, if you get 20, 25, 20 above, it's a good draw. Below 20, bad draw. Like the animation. 15 though, so that's a bad draw. So already have 85 tokens. 105. Good, nice. That's a good draw. 30, nice. We're luckily getting high tokens. So we're now at 200 and it's just a first phase. Oh, 40 again. Nice. So we already got 240 tokens in just 9 draws. So that's pretty lucky. So let me just think about it, and I'm going to compute if I will draw daily and participate in the second phase recharge. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Good luck on your draws. Bye-bye. So I decided to continue the draws. So let's draw the 10th draw. And I got the Pegasus Seiya skin, which converted into 54 fragments. And I can get 2 more from the premium supply. And I'm still going to recharge 150 more, so I can get the remaining tokens, these 4 remaining tokens in the future. So let's go. 294. Hope I get a duplicate effect. Oh, 15, that's bad. $25, nice. It balanced it out. So we have 334 tokens, and we still have 37 days left in the event, and I read that we can still get 8 more free tokens from the upcoming events, and there's also a second phase recharge event coming as well. So stay tuned, and I'm still going to think about what skin to get among these 3, because I don't use any of these 3 heroes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.